Electrical Department to this seminar on design and maintenance of 33 by 11 kV substation in power system network, which is being organized by W department. It is our pleasure that today we are having Mr. Parthopratim Dotto, sir, as our resource person. Parthopratim Dotto, sir, has done his MSc in Electronics and Control from BITS Pilani, and he has also done his MBA in Finance. Sir is a chartered engineer, and he is currently working as an energy auditor as well as an additional chief engineer and zonal manager in WB SEDCL Bardhaman zone. So it is our pleasure we are having him today here. So I would request our principal madam to say a few words and welcome sir to this webinar. Principal ma'am, it's over to you now.
Thank you, Rajlakshmi.
Yes,
hello everyone. A very good evening to all of you. During this COVID pandemic, whatever we have tried a lot to make the situation normal, but still, after all our endeavor, some shortcomings also there. The students they have undergone their industrial training virtually, but on not by attending the industry. So, in this situation, it is an appreciable effort at the end of the department that they have arranged an industrial webinar. In this context, we have Mr. Parthopratim Dotto in our virtual campus. I take privilege to thank Mr. Dotto under in this virtual campus and for sharing us his valuable time and his experiences. This webinar is to connect students with industry and to make them aware what is going on. I know that this session will be an engaging one and also enriching. The audience will learn a lot of in this regard, that is in every aspects of this field. Hope that we will have sir in person in our college campus in our future endeavor more and more with more and more engaging session after this COVID pandemic gets over. Thank you for joining us. I also welcome all the participants from different institutes in this virtual campus. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Sir, thank you for being here. The web platform, online platform is all yours now. You can start the presentation from your end. Before you start, sir, I would like to request all the participants to put their mic on mute. And if you have any query, please note it down, or you can even post it in the chat box. We will have a question answer session at the end of the seminar. So don't ask your question in the mid of the session. Let sir complete. You can kindly note your questions down, or you can put it in the chat box. So that's all for the participants. Sir, it's over to you now, sir. Welcome to the webinar, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everybody, on the behalf of the institute, on the behalf of the principal ma'am, on all the distinct faculties of electrical department of the institute, and my dear students and the other persons or other dignified persons who have already participated in this particular webinar. I feel privileged and honored as a guest speaker, as because it's a huge opportunity for us, for me also, to be associated with you guys, all the distinct faculties of the institute, as well as the my dear students and the other participants who are. Should I speak to mute all the mics so that the sound should be very clear to everybody? Am I audible to everybody?
Yes, you are audible, sir, and we have muted everyone from our side, sir. Students, participants, please. And you are audible, sir. You are audible, sir. You are
Thank you
very
so much.
clearly
Thank you so
audible.
much. So I just want to give you some sort of introduction of myself that I have been passed out from BITS Pilani MS Master of Science in Electronics Engineering before being graduated my Electronics Engineering bachelor's degree, and then I joined in Wipro. Rather than first my job was in Siemens. I worked for 1.5 years. Then I proceeded to Indian Statistical Institute to complete my MTech in computer science. But it is, I think, the different God has got the different plan for us, as because I have to quit ISI like institute because of my father has passed away in the mid of my exam period. So I decided to join Wipro as an employee. And then after Wipro, I joined WBSCDCL since 1994. And we have almost 26 years of association with this company. And it is my proud privilege. Again, I am telling you that I will be privileged and honored if some valuable things can be shared from my side, whatever my experience and the knowledge I have gathered during my tenure of the service in WBSCDCL. Especially, I just want to enumerate through my PowerPoint presentations. I hope it will be helpful for everybody regarding the industrial aspect, as well as everybody is going through the theoretical part of the electrical engineering and different aspects of electrical engineering, but how it has come to the real application in the industry, that you will be able to come to know in today's presentation, I hope. And as ma'am has said, you can all, you have got any queries or questions, please keep it in your mind or put it in your pen or paper, and at the end of my presentation, definitely will be there to uh, figure it out all the, or to sort out all the queries and questions. And a little bit of challenge from my side today happened in the morning, because my laptop, which has got the web camera, that has not been working properly. We cannot being able to connect the net. That's why I will be just presenting myself in person as a on camera through my mobile network. And now I will be off right now, and I will be going back to my presentation part through the laptop, which doesn't have any web camera. So maybe my voice will be there, but my picture will be not there in that part. So don't worry, after the presentation will be over, definitely I'll be there to sort out any sort of queries if you have. So thank you very much. And I just want to sign it off from my mobile right now, and I just start my presentations in laptop.
Mridmay, did sir get disconnected?
Yes, this are disconnected. So I connected with my
Uh,
laptop.
okay.
Hello, Minmoy. Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
As sir has joined.
Yeah, I have joined right now. I'm just putting my presentation in the screen. My voice is audible to everybody?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, it is on.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay. Now, is it my presentation is showing to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Everybody can see?
Yes, sir.
Your
Thank you so much.
presentation.
Thank you. So, first of all, I just want to put certain areas that how practically we devise a 30 by 11 kV substations in the power network system. Basically, what we do in West Bengal, if you see, in entire West Bengal, we have right now the 470 substations. So how this come usually being devised and how step-by-step procedure I will just elaborate to you how it has come into the place gradually. So initially, what we do, we usually select the locations on the land, and the location of the substation should be the load center of the entire area, and we calculate the load center through a software that exactly where the substation should be placed in. And another challenge is to get the proper land area in that particular location. So sometimes it happens, it is our experience that usually exactly the location wise we don't get the proper land to construct the substations. So that's why we have to little bit of compromise in that manner. And once we get the proper land, we try to understand the location of land, how far it is from the 132 by 33 kV substations, from where the 33 kV power point source is being taken, and it would be given to the 33 kV substation which is being constructed later on. And also another factor we should keep in mind, that is the voltage regulations part. If it is far away from the 132 by 33 kV substation, so it is not possible to bring 33 kV line, to draw 33 kV line from that particular substation, because the voltage regulations as per the IS specification or Indian Electricity Act, it won't be suffice, or it won't be vulnerable. That's why it won't be proper manner. So that's why sometimes